India is a diverse country. There are many beautiful cities in India. Some are beautiful because of their historical buildings, whereas others are beautiful because of their modern architecture. Some cities are beautiful because they are in the mountain valley, whereas some are beautiful because of the beautiful and warm smiles of people. Here, I would like to talk about Chandigarh, which is also known as the beautiful city. It was designed by the French architect Le Corbusier. It is the first planned city of India after independence. Chandigarh is the cleanest and the happiest city of India. According to two different surveys held in 2010 and 2015. It is also the first smoke free country in India. It is a union territory and is also the capital of two states, Punjab and Haryana. The rock garden in Chandigarh is a masterpiece out of waste material. Sukhna Lake is the biggest man made lake. It is a beautiful place for the people to enjoy with their families. The Sector 17 market is a shopper's paradise. The Rose Garden is Asia's largest garden. The city has 47 sectors. Each sector has residential and commercial zones. The roads are designed and oriented in such a way that most of the time of the day they are under shade. There are huge parking areas in the commercial zones so that the parking problems don't create a havoc on the main roads. The parking lanes are as broad as the main roads. So you see, while the city was planned in 1952, it is still the most well planned and beautiful cities of India. I believe big cities in India will continue to grow as more people from rural areas migrate to urban centers seeking better job opportunities, education and healthcare. Urban population will likely increase. This growth will be driven by factors like infrastructure development and economic growth in cities. Urbanization brings several benefits such as improved access to education, healthcare, and employment opportunities. It fosters economic development by providing a centralized hub for business and industries. Additionally, urban areas often offer better infrastructure and technological advancement contributing to improved quality of life. Tourism can have some negative effects on local communities, while it can generate revenue. It may also cause overcrowding, drive up living cost, and lead to environmental degradation. Local cultures might also be affected, with traditional ways of life changing due to the influence of commercial tourism. Many elderly people in India prefer to live in countryside where they feel more connected to nature and the community. However, an increasing number of elderly individuals are moving to cities to live with their children or for better access to healthcare and modern amenities. Young people are often attracted to cities for better career opportunities, access to higher education, and more vibrant social life. Cities also provide entertainment, diverse cultural experience, and a wide range of services, making them more appealing for those seeking growth and excitement. Tourism can significantly boost a city's economy by creating jobs in sectors like hospitality, transportation, and retail. It can also help preserve culture heritage by promoting historical sites and local traditions. Moreover, tourism can bring global attention to the city, attracting investment and encouraging urban development.